વેલકમ બેક સીતાજી શું ઝાયડસ દ્વારા પ્રેસ કોન્ફરન્સ કરવામાં આવી રહી છે।
एक प्रेशर से स्किन में दिया जाता है जिससे इसके इनिशियल साइड इफेक्ट्स जो देखने को मिलते हैं फॉर नीडल वो कम देखने को मिलते हैं। इससे हम बिलीव करते हैं कि जो वैक्सीन हेजिटेंसी होता है चिल्ड्रन में एंड अडल्ट्स में which is about 25% of the population, ये could be a good effort made to see that more people take the vaccine. Again on the safety and efficacy, ये वैक्सीन का स्टडी खत्म होने के बाद हमको कोई भी मॉडरेट या सीवियर और डेथ्स नहीं देखने को मिली है ये वैक्सीन में। एंड जितने भी ब्रेक थ्रू इन्फेक्शंस हुए हैं वो ओनली डेल्टा वेरिएंट के हुए। सो हमारा ये मानना है कि ये एफिकेसी इज द ट्रू रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ एफिकेसी फॉर अ डेल्टा वेरिएंट एंड वी होप के ये हम कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे इस पे काम और टू मेक श्योर हम ज्यादा इसको प्रोड्यूस करके बना सके सो दैट हम लार्जर ऑडियंस को ये वैक्सीन अवेलेबल कर सके। थैंक यू
Sir, and added on to this, there is what about the vaccine hesitancy, and also secondly, what about the side effects of the vaccine that you have observed or you look at? This is in English, friend.
So with related to the vaccine hesitancy, as I said, there are many reasons for vaccine hesitancy. One of the reason is also because of the fear of needles and the fear of injections. This vaccine does address that fear for sure. So far more people who are hesitant with that could potentially choose to use this platform for vaccination. Again, as I said, on the side effects, we have found no serious side effects or mortalities or fatalities related to the vaccine arm. And we believe that any of the mild side effects between the vaccine and the placebo arm were not different at all. So from our current learning on trials done on about 28,000 volunteers, we have found the vaccine to be completely safe and efficacious. Also, we didn't see any dropouts for the vaccination, which again talks about the compliance that people saw or the ease of administration the volunteers saw with vaccine.
Next we have is Meher.
Hi, Dr. Sharvil.
Hi, Gura.
So I wanted to ask about the administration, the applicator you're using. It seems to be a big part of your vaccine, but what bottlenecks do you see since you are scaling up significantly, do you see bottlenecks in this way of giving it?
Yeah, so I think for us, it is also beyond making the vaccine is also a new challenge of making sure that we have the delivery devices in place. We have been able to secure the delivery device from PharmaJet, which is a US company, which device has already been approved by the WHO and also filed with the US FDA. The device also requires applicators for delivering of the doses, and that also we have secured through partnerships in Singapore where it is getting manufactured, and later we have also setting up facilities in India to assemble and deliver that. And already that investments have been made, and we have also started commissioning some of these capacities.
Can you share numbers of how many you have imported so far?
So currently we are building capacities to produce for equivalent vaccine doses. So when we say 1 crore vaccine doses, we are equivalently producing 2 crore applicators, or preparing to produce for 2 crore applicators.
Okay, and imported so far?
Yeah, currently everything is imported, and we have secured the initial imported lots. On the main delivery pen device, that has already been debottlenecked, and procurement is there's no concerns on capacity there.
Okay, thank you.
Pooja Makkar is the next person.
Good afternoon, Dr. Sharvil. So I am just confused about one thing, want to clear it from you. To start with, if you are saying you are starting administering the doses from September onwards, how much of the stock you have already in hand? Because we have seen once the vaccine is out in the market, people start facing vaccine crisis for the second and in this case, the third dose also.
So as I said, we believe that in the next 45 days, we will produce about 30 to 40 lakh doses. and then October onwards, we believe we can start producing 1 crore doses. But then it will go through this whole cycle of drug product release and then Kasoli release, which adds 14 days for each of that processes.